Installing a 3D panel fence might seem challenging, but with the right steps, you'll achieve a durable, professional finish that saves time and reduces costs. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything you need for a smooth installation. Here's your checklist: 3D fence panels, fence posts, post caps, clips, screws, and don't forget essential tools like a wrench, gloves, and a spirit level. Having these ready ensures a hassle-free process. Step 1. Install the posts. Posts are the foundation of your fence. For dig-in posts, start by digging 500 millimeters deep holes, spaced 1 bay width apart. Then secure them with concrete and let it cure. On hard surfaces, use bolt-down posts. Position them carefully and secure with through bolts, tightening them firmly. Step 2. Attach the 3D mesh panels. Align the first panel with a secured post, ensuring it's upright and level. Prepare your mesh clips in advance and adjust the panel height for uneven ground. This ensures a sleek, secure finish. Step 3. Fasten the mesh clips with specialist bolts, tightening them carefully with a torque screw. Step 4. Inspect the fence thoroughly. Tighten any loose bolts or clips, check alignment, and ensure stability. And there you have it, a professionally installed 3D panel fence that's built to last. Want more tips and tricks about wire mesh and installation? Subscribe for more.